Hi friends, today we're showing you guys this portable electric hot water heater. So it's good rule of thumb, you must have water, the heater must be filled before you turn it on with water before you actually use it. So we're going to keep that like right here just as a reminder. And so before you plug it in, we can take a look and see here we have hot and then low and off. So you just turn this nozzle. It's a little hard to turn. It might be easier once it's actually on. So we're going to keep it on off. It does take 3-prong standard US outlet. You don't get a crazy amount of cord length. So you might want to get a very heavy duty extension cord, because that's pretty much all the cord length you get. And here you have your hot and cold line inlets. They do provide you with your stainless steel braided lines, as well as a manual, some adapters and bolts, and another tube. And that's what the unit looks like. It's definitely lightweight.